What up, y'all? Good morning, afternoon. I just woke up. My voice kind of got down, Let's get some light in it a bit. As you can see, I'm at the. Hey, bro. So the light is gay. Hold on, y'all, boys, 1 second. Alrighty, boys and girls. So I got the lights on. I'm gonna come pick y'all up in a little bit, but this shit just kind of hit because I got the mic and I'm all the way over here, and then y'all just over there listening to me. Shit like an outer body experience. I don't know. I just woke up. Y'all chill. Fuck me. Get some more sunlight in there a bit. Update on my car. We almost there. Fuck is you saying? Let me show y'all. I got the front cover off. I got my water pump expo. I got front cover is up there. I should have went 0.5. Hold on. Oh my god, nigga, this shit elite. What the fuck? I didn't even know you could pause it. I paused the same video, put it in 0.5, and it's still going. Shit trim. I don't know. But oh shit. Alright. Okay, so here's my water pump right here. My current, not dilemma, I would say maybe task. I've already lined it up. Everything is aligned. Let me squat down. Hold on, cause I really gotta show y'all, cause this shit is very. You can't just be a dumbass and do this shit. So let me put on some gloves. Like I said, you can't be dumb and do this shit, and you can't rush this shit. You can't. You can't be an idiot. All right. So the reason why I got this like this is because my air, my what would I call it? Freon. It's still Freon in my shit. So I'm not taking these hoes out because if I do, that shit could be kind of bad. So what I do is I kind of just angle it to the side. And I just let it sit like that. Oh fuck. Okay. And that's straight because it give me enough. Hey bitch. Hold on. Something not right. Alright. I think that's as best as it's gonna get. I don't even know if y'all can see me for real. Maybe it's a better angle somewhere else. Shit. Well, basically I'm already in, so fuck it, let's do it. I gotta move this back because I need to squat down and actually see like the front of it, because you have to look at it like this, because the way you gotta time this shit. So this shit, I can't even explain this shit, but this is a timing mark right here, and this shit need to be aligned with the middle of the teeth of this piece, this tooth on the timing chain. I'm gonna white out that joint, make sure it's a straight line. Also need to keep in mind this, I'm taking this shit out, I'm replacing this. This also is getting replaced. I need to put this timing mark on, I need to put some white out right here just so I don't forget where that is. And I need to take these pictures. Here at the bottom, this is a mark right here that we're going by. You basically, because it's not directly in the middle, I don't know if y'all can see. I'm not fully squatting because it's not too much space, so I can't even get in fully to goddamn show y'all the shit. But this basically is goddamn a line that's supposed to be not in the middle, but to the left of it, and that's what it look like. Water pump, goddamn do what I gotta goddamn do to that. This little guy, motherfucker, I think I can take that out, but I don't. I think that's good. A little whiteout right here. After I do my whiteouts, shit, I'm pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna do my whiteout, then I'm finna go to work. My gallery gaskets are kind of being exposed, especially right here. It's a little dark, but a little firelight. It's a little dark, but that gallery gasket right there is that shit gone. So, I'm pretty happy that I'm able to do the job because there's a lot of shit that I found that if I would have took it somewhere, maybe my mechanic wouldn't have let me know about that shit. So I can't really complain. I'm goddamn doing it. My bad. I just thought all my YouTube videos, I'm goddamn wearing a bonnet. Oh shit, twin got right back here. All my goddamn YouTube videos, I'm wearing a bonnet so far, but it's really because I wake up, I gotta work on my car, post a little car video, and then I'm out in the field working. But yeah, gotta get outside, man. I just take a. What the fuck? I thought it was a nigga yelling at me, but I don't know. What? Twin did right. Twin did right, bruh. The outside doing whatever. Damn. Wait, I forgot this is a tripod way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, that's it. Hold on. I'm gonna hit some juggles for y'all. My leg hurt like fuck, but I'm gonna go get a ball, hit some juggles, and then we're gonna end the video. All right, bro, I'm back. All right, y'all chill on me. My groin hurt. My groin, hip, fucking pelvis, all this shit hurt. This shit on fire. We do have a tournament next week. I don't think I'm gonna be able to play because of that. What the fuck was that? Oh shit! Nah, hell nah. Fuck no. Nah, fuck no, fuck no, fuck no, fuck no. Nah, fuck no. Niggas is hating. I gotta do it. Ay. Bro, that shit hurt. It's like when I extend my shit too far, I feel pain and restriction. Nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. That's it. All right, y'all boys. Little juggle sesh done. My juggling done got way better. And still is improving, but I got my white out. I gotta take pictures of all this shit that I'm doing. So I'm whiting out all the little color markings that I showed y'all. And then, shit, after I white it out, shit, I could start taking shit off. We're gonna do our water pump first, drain that, do our gallery gaskets. After that, we change our tensioners, or we change the tensioner, and then we do the guides, put the chain back on, seal it up. We gotta clean up all the residue on the sides, all the little I can't fucking speak. All the plastic shit. It's not even plastic. All the rubber, silicone, whatever it is. Clean that up and shit, we straight. Good white out right here. Let me get right. I gotta take pictures too, so it's like, I'm gonna just do like a little line type, like, yeah, white it, yep. Shit overly whited, cuz. Shit that way. That way. One tooth. Next tooth. Yep. Try to make sure I get this shit right, bro. If I really don't want to fuck up my engine. Okay. I can't wait to get back under the streets, gang. Like, bro, imagine I fix my shit. I'm not even saying imagine, like, nigga, you fixing your shit. I gotta start doing that. tongue is powerful. And nigga, you fixing your shit already. Fuck you talking about? I gotta pray, you know. I'm just a realist. Damn, I didn't even know it was side timing marks over here. That shit makes so much sense. Nah, I might have an Infiniti for life. Right. It might be all the whiteout I needed. Damn, I white outed the side chains. I didn't even need to do that. I'm an idiot. Let me clean that up. I'll tweet. I'm finna show y'all in a little bit though. Damn, the whiteout dry fast as shit. Get some brake cleaner. I don't think I got any brake cleaner. My bad. I need brake cleaner now. Well, whiteout is fucking permanent. It takes fucking 0.001 second to dry, gang. Like, shit stuck there. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. Been 10 minutes in the video. I might as well start doing some work for y'all. Y'all give me 1 sec. Shit, y'all boys, I wasn't even finna goddamn keep working. That first part of the video was just gonna be the first update of the video. This was gonna be like the second part, but I'm in the same fit. And I just got some more time, so why not go ahead and knock out a few things. Tensioner off read. Put them bolts back in. Do I have? Hold on, let me see if I got a sandwich bag to put this in. 1 sec. Fuck you talking about? Bagged. Ready to go. Put that hoe to the side. It's mad oil on my hands. Wait, so if that come off, this don't come. Nah, this don't come off. That chain loose though. Damn, my gaskets are fucked. My gaskets are cruised. Hold on, I'm finna show y'all. Alright. Let's get this top guide off. Shit's so satisfying. I love mechanic work. I'm not even a mechanic. Gotta inspect it, make sure nothing is broke with it. I might be able to sell this or put it back. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look in good condition. Got that chain loose a little bit. Think Kevin coming. Nigga just scared the fuck out of me. Yeah. What's up, man? You dig? You dig me? How that one, gang? Shit, on the way. That shit on the way, man. That shit on the way, cuz. What up, y'all? Say what's up to the people, man. What up, y'all? Kevin Dane the flat.
Had to come check the progress. I know I'm playing doing it right.
You know it. Come on.
I finished your goddamn.
Yeah.
Go take a goddamn shower.
Yeah. Yeah. See y'all soon. Stupid ass.
See y'all soon. But I'm gonna go do the package real quick and I'll be back.
That's a bet. It's a berry.
They good to go. You might have 2 cars that might.
Oh, sure. Alright.
Possibly. But I think it's just the data. I think last time he called me, he said it might be a truck. I don't know.
His truck?
Huh?
His truck?
Possibly.
Okay. Alright, y'all boys. Big boy work time, you feel me? Time to get this chain off. Most important piece. The piece that has me the most scared. Which I don't know why. Ain't nothing to be scared of. Again, you got this shit. You feel me? Got that motherfucker loose. Twin said figure out where it want to come off at. I don't know if it want to come off over there. Can I take it off from the bottom? Oh shit, that whole shit come off. Nah, hell no. The fuck, huh? I don't want this bitch to rotate. Oh my god. Okay, off the water pump. Nope. Can't even fully get off the water pump. Oh, chill, bruh. Don't break. Don't do no dumb shit. The fuck is this attached to it, bitch? Get off. This shit glued. Shit pissing me off, gang. Sometimes when that shit not work, you gotta open that YouTube video. Right side.
Like so.
Hell no, right side. Let me see. Twin went right side with it. How the fuck you go right side, cuz? You went right side, gang. Ah, my fucking back. Come on, bro. This is the last step. You did all the other shit. Sometimes you need that self-talk. You did all the other shit, gang. Come on. All you gotta do is get this shit off and don't rotate it. Don't let that bitch rotate, gang. Bro, my shit don't wanna come off, cuz. My shit dead don't wanna come off, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If I pry it, is that bad? I don't wanna pry it and fuck some shit up, you know? Get off! That shit don't wanna come out, gang. That shit dead don't wanna come out, bro. I'm gonna try over the top method from this way. Seems like this left side might be more. Might be what's gonna allow me to get it. Aye. Bro, shit pissed me off, gang. I've been dealing with that shit for too long. I'm gonna just record when I fix it or not fix it. This might be the end of the video or it might not be the end of the video. I'm pissed off. I gotta take this shit to the post office. See y'all niggas when I see y'all niggas. Love y'all, boy.